Role number one, project coordinator. So generally speaking, a project coordinator is a professional who performs many of the functions of a project manager, but may not have the experience or certification to earn the full title of a project manager. This means that while a project coordinator may have some of the responsibilities of a project manager, he or she is usually not as qualified or experienced as a project manager. This is usually the first position for someone freshly out of college who wants to pursue a career in project management. So the project coordinator role can vary from one company to another and from one industry to another. Different companies have their own definition of what a project coordinator is, which makes it difficult to determine exactly what the role entails. So for example, the project coordinator in company A may manage specific elements of a large project, but another project coordinator in company B may manage entire projects, which are likely to be smaller, less complex, lower priority projects than those addressed by senior project manager. In a broader project management context, a project coordinator may be responsible for organizing and managing the various parts of a project to ensure its success. This may include assigning and tracking the day-to-day activities of the project team, communicating and creating reports and updates for the project manager and other stakeholders. It is clear that the project coordinator plays an essential role in effective project management. He or she serves as a liaison between the team members and the project manager. So in summary, it can be said that project coordinators in different industries can be expected to handle a number of tasks specific to their business nature, but many of the main responsibilities are the same. So here are some examples of the responsibilities of a project coordinator. First, we have the tracking of the daily progress of projects. Then we have the providing detailed updates to project managers or other stakeholders. The project coordinator will also have the responsibility of ensuring that team members have the supplies and resources they need to complete their assigned tasks on time and within budget. He's also going to be responsible for organizing reports, invoices, contracts, and other financial files for easy access. He can also be responsible for scheduling meetings and organizing project logistics. Then finally, must have the responsibility for performing billing and bookkeeping tasks, just to name a few of the responsibilities that one can have as a project coordinator.